Hey guys, my name is Kelvin from Raw Coding. Today I'll be showing you how to create a blog from scratch on your Wix website. Hey guys, I'm currently in the Wix editor and today we'll be adding a blog to our website. To add a blog, press the add button on the left. Go down to blog and then click add to site. Wix will create a new page and add your blog to it. If we click on preview, you will see that at the top of the page there are various categories. In the All Posts category, all your blog posts will be in one place. Then, under the Getting Started category that Wix has added as standard, you'll be able to see two separate blogs. Then, when we click on the Community category, we will see this blog post added to it. Let's go back to All Posts, and then back to the editor. To customize the blog, click on the blog content, and click on Manage Posts. This will take you to the dashboard for your blog. You'll be able to define your author name over here at the top, and then you can create a new blog post by pressing the Create a New Post button at the top. Your blog will contain 3 posts that have been created by Wix. You can delete these by clicking on the 3 dots on the right and saying Delete Post. On the left, you will see the category section. Let's go on it. And as standard, you will see 2 categories that have been added by Wix. We can delete these as well. What we can do, we can add a new category. To add a new category, press the New Category button at the top. Let's rename this to Coding. The category title is the title your users will see under the category section. I'm going to call this Coding Tutorials. You can add an image to your category and you can also add a description, but I'm going to keep this blank. And then you can also create a custom URL for the category. Let's press save. Let's create 2 more categories. This one will be hardware. The category title will be Hardware Tutorials. Let's press save. And then the last one will be web design. And we'll call this category Web Design Tutorials for the users to see. Press save. So now we have 3 categories. If we go to the posts page on our dashboard on the left, we can create a new post by pressing the New Post button at the top right. I'm going to name this post Coding Tutorials. I'm going to add an image by pressing Add an Image at the bottom. You can also add a gallery, a video, and you can also add dividers within your content which will format your blog post. And finally, you will also be able to add your own customized HTML code. But what we'll do, we'll add an image. I'm going to choose an image that is free from Wix under the technology category. I'm going to choose this one here with a guy typing on his laptop. I'm going to click on it, press add to page. And as you can see, the image has been added to my blog post. I'm just going to add some writing over here. I'm just going to say this blog post is a coding tutorial, and then I'm going to publish. I'm going to add 2 more blog posts and then add each one to their respective category. So now we've added 3 separate tutorials. To categorize them, we're going to want to press Edit, go on to Post Settings, and then under Post Settings, you'll be able to see the category section. We want to select Coding for this one and press Save and Publish. For the second one, I'm going to press Edit again. Under Post Settings, I'm going to go on to Categories, and for this one, I'm going to choose Web Design. Press Save and Publish. And finally, I'm going to choose the Hardware Tutorial blog post, press Post Settings, Categories, and then Hardware. Press Save and Publish. So now, if we go back to the editor and onto our blog, under the All Posts category section, we'll be able to see all 3 blog posts. Let's press Preview. If we click on the Coding category, we will only be able to see the Coding Tutorials blog posts. Under the Hardware category, the Hardware Tutorial blog post, and then on the Web Design category, we will be able to see the Web Design tutorial. Well, it's supposed to be design. Let's go back to All Posts and then back to Editor. Let's click on the blog content and then click on Settings. On the display setting, you can choose what to show in your feed. So for instance, if we deselect view counter, we won't be able to see the views anymore. If we enable view counter, we'll be able to see the views again. So you can play around with the settings until you are satisfied with the information that is being displayed. Then if we go on layout, you can choose how you would like your blog content to be laid out. Then on the design tab, you can choose the various design aspects of your blog. So for instance, the colors of the blog menus. On the posts, we can change the post heading colors. For instance, if we choose red, then the blog headings will be red. You can play around with these until you are satisfied with the way it looks. So if we go back to the editor, as you can see, blogs are really easy to create on Wix, and you have a lot of tools at your disposal. Everything is laid out really cleanly, and it's really easy to create a new blog post and publish it for your audience to see. This concludes adding a blog post to your website. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the video description below. It tells Wix that you joined through me and supports me a lot. If you would like to see more tutorials on Wix, I have quite a few tutorials on my YouTube channel. Do check them out and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.